Another very common issue we have is where people say that they go to make a cup of coffee and their machine will say fill beans, and the report to us the machine is filled with beans. So it's quite obviously there could be an issue with the grinder, but if you can hear your grinder spinning and you recently did a clean, this is the most common reason, it's quite possible that the cleaning tablet has become lodged in the powder chute. And you'll see the powder chute goes down at a steep angle like this. At this point here, it's joining where the output from the grinder is and then dropping into the brew unit, and the tablet can easily become lodged at that bottom point. It's well worth ensuring whenever you do a clean, after you've dropped the tablet in and the clean begins, ensure that the liquid coming out of the front outlets is a nice white foamy liquid. If it's not, it's quite probable your tablet has become lodged. And the first time you'll know about it, unless you've already checked this, is when you press to make a coffee and it says fill beans and no coffee comes out. If you persist in pressing to make coffee, this powder chute will fill up with coffee until eventually it's so solid that it forces the top of the grinder and compacts the coffee in there so much that we have to strip it down and clean it all out. So it's well worth being aware of that before it gets to that stage. If you're aware what should happen when you start the clean and that the liquid should be nice and foamy, and if not, you can take a wooden spoon, for example. This isn't a wooden spoon, but there's nothing in this chute that you can damage particularly. You can just push down and make sure that's clear. If you've got lots of powder in the chute, pull that out and vacuum out as much as you can, and then you should be all good to go again.